Your dream beach doesn't exist until you find it here. A secret cove with water so blue it looks photoshopped. A sandbar that disappears at high tide like it never existed. And a beach where locals say the waves whisper secrets, only if you stay long enough to listen. This isn't just another list of pretty shores. We're diving into the wild, the weird, and the truly unforgettable beaches of the Philippines. Spots that can ruin all other vacations forever. Let's ruin yours. Welcome to 7,641 islands of coastal chaos. Choosing the best beach in the Philippines is like trying to pick a favorite child. If your children were all sun-drenched, wave-kissed, and slightly overachieving in the beauty department. We're talking 36,000 kilometers of coastline. That's more beach than Brazil. More coconut trees than you can shake a hammock at. So how do you even begin? Simple. You don't chase the hype. You chase the magic. If beaches had royalty, El Nido would be queen, king, and prime minister. Tucked at the northern tip of Palawan, El Nido isn't just beautiful, it's almost arrogant about it. Jagged limestone cliffs shoot out of emerald water like nature's own sculpture garden. Don't miss Nakpan Beach, a twin strip of golden sand so perfect it feels suspicious. Secret lagoons, private island hopping, and those boat rides that make you feel like you're in a shampoo commercial. Yes, it's pricier. Yes, it's popular. But if you don't go, you'll regret it forever. Boracay is like that ex you keep going back to. Overhyped? Sometimes. Still hot? Always. White Beach is the diva here. 4 kilometers of powdery sand so fine it squeaks. But here's the trick. Skip Station 2 and hit up Puka Beach on the northern tip. It's quiet, raw, and free of foam parties. Post-cleanup Boracay is leaner, greener, and a lot more respectful of the environment. Paradise got a second chance. Don't mess it up. Known as the surfing capital of the Philippines, Siargao is more than Cloud9's perfect barrel. Hop on a scooter and ride north to Pacifico Beach. Wild, empty, and whisper quiet. No bars, no noise, just you and the waves. Magpupunko rock pools? Tide-dependent natural pools with Instagram built in. Show up early. Tourists love this place, and floaties multiply fast. And don't leave Siargao without island hopping to Daku Island, Naked Island, and Guyam Island. Each one is a perfect beach moment. Daku's wide and powdery with local vibes. Naked Island is just sand and sea. No trees, no shade, just raw beauty. Guyam is tiny, ringed with palm trees, and looks like a private island fantasy. Siargao isn't just for surfers, it's for anyone chasing salt and soul. Think Cebu, but subtract the resorts and add actual peace. Bantayan Island is where time gives up. Sugar Beach in Santa Fe has sand so fine it feels like baking flour. Rent a motorbike and go get lost, in a good way. Discover cliff jumps, mangroves, and sleepy villages where life moves at the speed of a falling coconut. If you need clubs, skip it. If you need clarity, welcome home. Imagine a white sandbar slicing through electric blue water for no apparent reason. Now, imagine you get to walk it. Kalanggaman Island in Leyte is uninhabited, undervisited, and totally unreal. The sandbar appears and disappears with the tide, like a magic trick. It's not easy to get to. You'll need a boat, patience, and probably bug spray. But once you arrive, you'll wonder how this place hasn't been turned into a Netflix backdrop. Camiguin is the island with more volcanoes than towns. And somehow, it still manages to serve up some of the best beach experiences without any of the mainstream noise. White Island, ironically just off the coast, is a sandbar with a panoramic view of Camiguin's volcanoes. It looks like someone photoshopped a beach onto the open sea. And the black sand beaches? Volcanic, dramatic, and criminally underrated. It's like Hawaii. And the Philippines had a love child, and then didn't tell anyone. Most people go to Coron for World War II shipwreck diving. But Malcapuya Beach? That's the sneaky knockout. About an hour's boat ride from town, it offers barefoot luxury with 0 resorts in sight. The sand is flower soft, the water absurdly blue. It's the kind of place where silence feels expensive, and the only agenda is nap, swim, repeat. Panglao is Bohol's beachy bonus. Alona Beach is where the action is. Diving shops, live music, and good vibes. But Dumaluan Beach? Same water, fewer people, more peace. And if you want to swim with sea turtles before breakfast, Bantayan Island delivers. No tour group required. Located in Luzon's north, La Union has become the country's coolest beach town, on purpose. Surf? Absolutely. Urbiz Tondo Beach has beginner-friendly waves and pros carving it up daily. But what makes La Union iconic is the culture. Third wave coffee at El Union, indie art shops and live bands playing under mango trees. It's where city burnout goes to heal. Stick around long enough and you'll start looking up beachfront property, just in case. When to go? Dry season runs December to May. March and April are hot and crowded. Shoulder months like February or early May offer sunshine without the stampede. Where to stay? Budget hostels from $10, boutique guest houses around $50. Private islands? You're looking at $300 plus. Choose your own fantasy. Don't ruin it. Reef-safe sunscreen. No plastic. Don't step on the coral. Don't take the shells. Don't litter. Pretend your mom's watching. Here's the problem. After this, every other beach will disappoint you. You'll compare sand texture, judge water clarity, side-eye the Caribbean. The Philippines doesn't just raise the bar, it erases it and builds a hammock in its place. You came looking for paradise. You'll leave with a tan, a new respect for the word turquoise, and an itch to return. Craving more island-hopping bliss? Dive into the ultimate Philippines island guide next. It's a whirlwind of white sand beaches, turquoise lagoons, and hidden coves that make the Philippines feel like paradise, multiplied by 7,641. If you thought these shores were good, wait until you see what's waiting across the archipelago.